Hey, excited, I just got my new pool pump in. It's a variable speed pool pump. I've been waiting on it. I've had that dinosaur for 8 years at single speed. This thing's gonna save me a lot of money, save me a lot of time with my pool, and just excited. I was reading the manual. I think it's gonna be an easy hookup. I got a few things here for installation. I bought a piece of pipe. I don't know if I'll need it or not. It's got these fittings. You got 3 different sizes that I know of. It's 2 inch, 1.5 inch, and I think there's a 2.5 inch pump fitting there too. It's got the easy connect couplings. I'm going to tie it to my existing plumbing, and like I said, until I get into it, I'm not going to know exactly what I need, but I think it's going to be a pretty easy install. I went to Lowe's and just bought a few things, the pipe glue and things like that. I got my little electric saw here so I can cut my pipes. I got the glue and my tape measure. Oh yeah, and just to be on the safe side, I turned the power off. I've got a little cheap tester that I picked up, I think for 10 bucks. I'm gonna stick to the wires, just make sure the power's off, make sure I don't get shocked or anything like that. And looking at it and reading the directions, all I'm gonna have to do is just connect the red and black wires and then install my ground and fire it up. I'm going to give you intermittent videos while I'm doing all this, just to kind of show you the process and how it's going to go. And see you in a minute.
Yeah.
Got a voice for radio, or a face for radio, don't I? What you think?
Okay, here we have our setup where we're gonna install. You can see all the other equipment. We're about to cut all this loose, replace it, and get things moving so we can get to swimming.
Okay, I've got my pump set up. It interchanged with my other pump pretty well. It's about a 1/2 inch lower than it is. So what I did is I put some shims, just some rubber shims underneath right there to shim it up to get it even. As far as the pipes and retrofitting all that, it's pretty close. All I need to do is put on my my ends, and I bought a new 45 just because I had to cut the old one off, and of course glue on my new end, which I'll put that in there. Glue my new piece to my existing pool pump. Put some primer on it. Just like that. Twist it to the right height. Now, I'll let that go, sit there and dry for just a few seconds before I screw this other piece on. This is a variable speed pump, which my other one was just a single speed. So my electricity savings I expect to be quite a bit. Just finish screwing this one. See, I'm gonna unscrew it just to show you how it goes back on. I already screwed it on. I shouldn't have done that first, but easy peasy. Goes on there just like the other one did. Just like that. I got me a piece of flex hose on the outlet side. Full professionals say you can do that. It's kind of frowned upon on the inlet side. The outlet side's okay. There we go, good and tight. All right, now I'm gonna hook up the electricity, fire it up. Okay, to hook up the electricity, you've got 4 screws right here on top. If I had a drill to go a little faster, but I didn't bring it with me today. All right, take the cover off. Didn't screw that one enough. I've got my helper here helping out some. There we go. All right. Good. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, are you already going?
I was already going, but I can cut that part out.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, I've stuck my old wires into the my new box here. As you can see, I've got them right there. Easy to do. Just get them, put them together, put your wire nut on. Do the same thing here on the black side. Put them together, put my wire nut on, make sure it's tight. Ground is hooked up and tied together. Get that in good. Alright, bring those down in there. Okay. Put the cover back on. Make sure there's a little gasket is back on there good. You want to make sure this thing's good and waterproof. Good. Get my screws. Compress that gasket on there a little bit. There we go. Let me go turn the power on. All right, turn the power on. Let's go over here. It's on. I'm going to turn the water onto it and get it fired up the rest of the way. Okay, I've got the power on. This little lid that flips up, got a little water spot. To prime it, I'm going to put hit 4. That's the top speed, and run. Here we go. We got water going through. I'll get on my show you how to do all the different stages here on this next video. Okay, we've got water running through it. I've got it on the 4-speed, which the program is high. I'm just going to show you how it works a little bit. I turned it down to 3. There it goes, slows down.